So finally the day has come. After a long wait, I finally got my YouTube creator's first achievement reward, the silver play button. It really feels special and it means a lot to me and my channel, as not every creator who has 100k subscribers gets this recognition. YouTube does a list of checks before giving this prestigious award to any creator. Without you all, this wasn't possible at all. So let's unbox it. It comes inside a black slim box. When you open it, there is a letter of acknowledgement and appreciation from YouTube, signed by the CEO, Susan. It briefly says, "Congratulations, keep creating and keep building." Well, that's what I'm gonna do now. Thank you so much, Susan and the YouTube team. Let's see the silver play button itself, which is wrapped in a plastic. It feels good in hand and looks like a beautiful, well-built reward, with my channel name and a big cutout of YouTube. It's quite light, and when you turn it around, there is a cutout for wall brackets if you want to hang it somewhere. You also get a congratulations message inside. It's been inspected by someone named Rick. Also, there is a leaflet of recognizing your YouTube team with all three mains: silver for 100k, gold for 1 million, and platinum for 10 million subscribers milestone. A big thanks to Team YouTube. Without you all and your support, this recognition is not possible. So stay tuned, more videos coming soon. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.